Steve here, NRC. I already had the Kyosho Outlaw Rampage Pro out on the ball field. I figured, what the hell, I'm going to make another video in the basher spot on the rocks and on the dreaded part down there where they did all construction. So let's see how this sucker does. Let's see. Oh! Oh! Trying to pick up speed and hit this stuff. Oh! I got that. I was slipping like crazy. That's nice. Oh. See if we can pick up some speed here. Oh, there's a double tap. A double tap jump. There we go. Oh, that was bad. Trying to pick up speed to hit this, but oh! Turn up the gyro just a little bit to keep her in a straight line. Oh! I'll get the speed I need. There she goes. Ah! That wasn't the speed I needed. I think it works better when I hit this side here. Let's see. Come on, baby. Ooh, yeah, looks like the fall guy. And then again. Ooh. I hit that one perfect. I doubt I'll be able to do that again. Fall guy! Woohoo! That was beautiful. Try that again. Oh, I hit it wrong. Tried to kneel down real low. I gotta keep the momentum up. So if I go from down here, see if I can line this beauty up. Oh yeah! All right, part two. Oh. Oh, that's nice. See over here. I think I have a stick caught on the bottom. Or it was when I was flying in the air. New suspension. Oh, nice. See how fast it is on the street here. I think it's pretty quick, but it just don't get the speed on the, not that bad. Suspension on it works really good. See how the motor is ice cold. I could up the gearing a little bit, I think. Brakes work good. Let's test them anti-lock brakes out. Ready, go. Hit the jumps a couple more times. See if I could go straight down the middle of this one. Should be a doozy. Let's see. Double tapper. Did a double tapper jump. If I could keep some speed on. It does a double tap jump. A good air, hits the top of the ramp and jumps again. Looks like the best jump here is the Fall Guy jump right here. Oh, that's sweet. He jumps like a real one. Fall Guy jump coming up. Oh, I messed up. That looks good. Fall Guy jump coming up. Oh, I messed up. Try it again. I think I got something caught in the bottom slowing it down. Fall Guy jump. See what's in the bottom. Oh, a bug in my mouth. Yep, that'll slow you down. Fall Guy jump is awesome. Let's see if I can hit it again. Ah, yeah. Alright guys, that's enough of this beauty. Hope you enjoyed it. This thing's fun as hell. I don't think I need to upgrade the motor. I think I just got to go a couple more teeth on the pinion here to get it faster because it's running cold. Anyhow guys, I hope you enjoyed this bass with the Kyosho Outlaw Rampage. It was fun. It's a fun truck. Appreciate you all watching. Leave me some comments and likes. Helps the channel out. If you're new watching, subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'm out of here. One more Fall Guy jump. Whoa! Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.